Hi Jennifers, you're welcome back to my space. This is your girl Jennifer Chris, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to combine your body soaps, your body wash together to achieve your desired result. Okay, so I know very well that a lot of people are finding it hard to achieve results with using just one product. I mean, one body wash or one soap. Some people complain that they don't get their desired result, and that is how they jump from one body wash, one body soap to another. But in today's video, I'm going to put an end to your jumping from one product to another. Now, if this is what you enjoy watching, do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and let's go straight into the business of today. So guys, a lot of people find it very hard to use one product and achieve desired results. A lot of people want to lighten up their skin, brighten up their skin, but the product they are using is not even doing justice to it at all. Now, I am here to give you a solution to this problem. And who said you should use only one body wash? Who said you should use only one body shower gel? Who said you should use just one? I'm here to show you the right products that you can combine and get desired results. Now, you guys, ensure that you know your skin type, ensure that you know your skin concern. What are you willing to achieve? What are you looking to achieve? That is how you know what to use and how to combine it. Okay, now for me, I am a dry skin girly. I have dry skin, I have sensitive skin. I cannot use harsh product. If I do that, it's going to affect my skin. So I tilt towards mild products that are suitable for sensitive skin and that are suitable for dry skin. So if you are sitting on this table, then this video is for you. Now, what I have here is a body wash and a body soap. I mean a bar soap. Okay, so guys, a lot of people complain about body washes that it's too slimy, it doesn't really clean their body, they don't like the after effects and all of that. So I'm going to show you how to use a body wash and a body bar soap to get your desired result. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you this particular body wash. This is the body wash I am using currently, and this body wash is suitable for dry skin. It doesn't dry out your skin, it is not harsh. Okay, so if you are using this kind of body wash, we all know that this body wash is an exfoliating body wash, right? So I would advise that you use this body wash only at night, because you don't want to, harm your skin in any way. I wouldn't advise you to use this body wash and go under the sun. Okay, so I'll advise you to use it at night. Now, if you have any other body wash that is an exfoliating body wash, please use at night. Please use at night, because a lot of you have good products but you don't even know how to use it. That is why it's not working for you. So it's not just about going to the market to buy a good product, it's about knowing how to use it. Whatever exfoliating body wash you have, use at night. That way you're going to get desired results. Okay, so I use this my exfoliating body wash at night, okay, and I combine it with a very good bar body soap which I use during the day. Now, your body soap should not be a lightening body soap. If it must be a lightening body soap, it shouldn't be harsh. You cannot be using this exfoliating body wash at night and you are using Kojisand soap in the afternoon or in the morning. It will damage your skin, because they are both Kojisand is not a mild product. Okay, you should use Kojisand at night. You cannot use it, I will not advise you to use it during the day. You can use it during the day, okay, but I wouldn't advise you to use it during the day if you have a sensitive skin. That is why I would advise you that whatever body product you're using in the morning should be a very mild body product. Preferably a moisturizing body wash is fine. Preferably a moisturizing body bar soap is fine. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you this particular body soap that I'm using. This is the Asante papaya and honey. Emphasis are on this honey. We all know that honey is moisturizing, highly moisturizing, and I definitely need some honey on my skin. Okay, forget about this papaya lightening and all of that. This body wash, this body bar soap will not work alone if you're looking to brighten or lighten your skin. Using this particular body soap will not work alone. It will not give you that desired effect you're looking for. It will not brighten your skin. It won't. okay? It will not. No matter how they preach on the streets of, you know, it will not brighten your skin if you use it alone. That is why if you want a brighter skin, you should combine this body soap with a very good body wash like this, or any other body wash of your choice. So how do you use it? You use this one in the morning. Use this particular body soap in the morning or in the afternoon, okay? The reason I said this is because I love the benefits I get from the honey inside. It is not drying. It's not drying to my skin, and it will not lighten your skin, it will not bleach your skin, it will not brighten your skin. It's just a moisturizing body soap. That is why I use this one in the morning, and then I use this one at night. So use this in the morning and use this at night, and you're good to go. You're going to see the effects on your skin. Trust me, you're going to get a smoother skin, you're going to get a uniform skin, I mean an even skin tone. You're going to get a brighter skin, okay? So if you combine these two products together, trust me, you are going to get a brighter skin. Now you can also use this particular body wash with Dove. You either get the Dove body wash, or you get the Dove body soap. Use the Dove in the morning, and then you use this body wash, this half-cast body wash, at night. You can get a vitamin C body wash. Use the vitamin C body wash in the morning, then you use this half-cast body wash at night. Remember, I said use exfoliating products at night. Use moisturizing products in the morning, because it will not have adverse effects on your skin even if you're under the sun. The only time I will, you know, give it an exception that you should use an exfoliating body product in the morning or in the afternoon is if you have a body sunscreen, which I know a lot of you don't have. That is why I am recommending that you should use exfoliating body products at night alone. I hope you understand. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, okay? So now it boils down to knowing your ingredients as well. You can use a niacinamide body wash in the morning and use an exfoliating body wash at night. You can use the vitamin C body wash in the morning and use an exfoliating body wash at night. You can use centella, you can use aloe vera, anything that has to do with moisturizing, cocoa butter, cocoa oil, turmeric. You can use all of these ones during the daytime and then use your lightening product at night. I hope you understand what I'm saying, okay? That way you're going to have your desired results. You're going to achieve your desired results, trust me, okay? So let me know if you have combined body washes, body soap together, okay? Let me know how it feels. And another way that you can use a body wash and a body soap together is if you use this one, okay? Because a lot of people do not like using body washes because of the slimy nature. Use this one, have your bath at night, and then right after you use this one to rinse up. That is how to combine a body wash and a body soap together. After using this one, use this one to rinse up. That way you will not, you know, feel that slimy effect on your skin, okay? So now I have given you guys 3 different options of how to combine your body soap and your body wash together to achieve your desired result. Let me know which is your favorite combo method, and let me know which one you have used before, okay? Let me know which one you're going to try to use after watching this video. All right, okay? So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay glowing.